Your Ford F-150 just hit the dealership for a routine oil change, and you are walking out 2 hours later with $2,100 for services you did not even know existed. Sound familiar? Ford dealerships are getting more creative with how they upsell unnecessary repairs. I have been working on Fords for over 12 years, and I have seen the tactics evolve. What used to be straightforward service visits have turned into aggressive sales opportunities. Today, I am exposing the newest scams targeting Ford owners right now. These are not the old tricks everyone knows about. These are fresh tactics that even experienced truck owners are falling for. I am not here to bash all Ford dealerships. Many do honest work, but you need to know how to spot the dishonest ones. Keep watching, because knowing these scams could save you thousands this year alone. Let's break down exactly what is happening. Scam number 1 is the forgot to pay off your trade-in callback. You trade in your vehicle with equity. Everything seems fine. You drive away in your new Bronco. Then 2 to 4 weeks later, your phone rings. The finance manager claims they miscalculated your trade-in payoff. Now you owe them an additional $2,000 to $4,000. They pressure you to wire money immediately, or they say they will ruin your credit. Here's what's really happening. This is a documented scam experts call the forgot to pay off your trade-in tactic. Dealers either deliberately fail to pay off your trade-in loan, or they use fake paperwork showing higher payoff amounts. They are betting you will not remember the exact payoff, or that you will panic and just pay. Once you sign the contract, the dealer is legally responsible for paying off your trade-in, not you. If they call demanding more money weeks later, it is not your problem to solve. Here's how to protect yourself. Get your payoff amount in writing directly from your lender before trading. Call your lender 48 hours after the sale to confirm the dealer paid them off. If a dealer calls demanding more money, ask them to show you the original payoff documentation. Contact Ford Corporate immediately. Never wire money based on a phone call. Scam number 2. The VIN swap bait and switch. You test drive a specific Ford Bronco Outer Banks and you agree on a price. A month later, you notice the VIN is different. The dealer admits they sold you a lower trim level. Now they want $3,000 to $5,000 more for what you thought you already owned. Here is the deception. Dealers deliberately swap vehicle identification numbers after negotiations. They show you the premium model, negotiate on that vehicle, then switch the VIN to a cheaper model during paperwork. By the time you notice, you have driven it for weeks. They claim it was an innocent error, and they pressure you, saying you cannot return it now. This is deliberate fraud. Multiple Ford owners report identical experiences. The paperwork does not get confused by accident. Your protection strategy. Before test driving, photograph the VIN plate on the dashboard. At contract signing, verify every page shows the correct VIN. Compare the window sticker to your negotiated features. If anything does not match, stop immediately. If you discover a VIN swap after delivery, contact Ford Corporate and your state attorney general. This is actionable fraud. Scam number 3. The Blue Certified Pre-Owned Claim. You pay $1,000 to $2,000 extra for Ford's Blue Advantage Certified, with its 172-point inspection. The truck arrives without new wipers, with no oil change, and with an empty gas tank. Within days, you discover aftermarket parts that were never disclosed, and a missing fuse that kills half your electronics. Here's the truth. Dealerships self-certify their own vehicles. Ford Corporate does not inspect them. Many dealers do a quick once-over, check a few boxes, slap on the certified sticker, and collect your premium. The 172-point inspection often never happens. Major warranty repairs never get reported to Carfax. Blue certified vehicles get almost nothing. They come with 90 days or 4,000 miles of coverage. That is barely enough to drive it home. How to protect yourself. Run a Ford OASIS report using the VIN. This shows every service performed at any Ford dealer, including warranty repairs, Carfax misses. Get an independent pre-purchase inspection even on certified vehicles. Check every feature before leaving the lot. If you find undisclosed problems, document everything and return immediately. Scam number 4, the hidden fee avalanche. You find a Ford Explorer online at $47,500. You negotiate it down to $44,500. At signing, the out-the-door price is suddenly $48,800. The dealer has added a $699 documentation fee, a $190 electronic filing fee, a $1,600 mandatory paint protection fee, and a $250 consumer data protection fee, all supposedly required. Here is the scam. These fees were hidden until you are in the finance office. The documentation fee costs the dealer $10. They charge you $699. The electronic filing costs them $2. They charge you $190. The paint protection costs them $50. They charge you $1,600. The consumer data protection fee is completely made up. Only 3 fees are required by law: sales tax, title, and registration. Everything else is negotiable. Your defense. Before visiting, email the dealer requesting the complete out-the-door price with every fee itemized. Question every fee that was not disclosed up front. Be prepared to walk away. Many dealers drop fees immediately when you are serious. Compare fees across dealers. Some charge 0 documentation fees, others charge $800 for the same paperwork. Scam number 5 is the warranty denial runaround. Your Mach-E displays a warning. You are under warranty. The service advisor says it is a $3,100 compressor failure that is not covered. You have documented multiple visits for this exact issue. The advisor claims the part number does not show up as covered and refuses to submit a warranty claim. Here is what is happening. Warranty repairs pay dealers less than customer-paid repairs. Some advisors claim parts are not covered, hoping you will just pay. They refuse to submit claims they know Ford will approve. Some advisors erase error codes without fixing anything. Issues documented under warranty remain warrantable even if repairs happen slightly after expiration. The key is documentation. How to fight denials. Before service, call Ford Warranty directly and open a case number. Ask the dealer to show specifically where in your warranty it says the part is not covered. If they refuse to submit a claim, go to a different Ford dealer. Document every visit with dates, names, and descriptions. Take photos of warning messages. For issues that started before warranty expiration, escalate through Ford Corporate. If you made it this far, consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest car advice. Scam number 6, the finance rate markup scheme. Your credit score is 810. Your credit union approved you at 5.2%. The Ford finance manager returns with bad news. Ford Credit's best rate is 10.66%, almost double. He discourages outside financing and claims it might affect your trade-in value. Here is what is happening. Finance managers mark up your interest rate and pocket the difference. They get kickbacks from specific lenders. They steer you away from Ford Credit because third-party lenders pay them more. Over a 6-year loan, that markup costs you thousands. Marking up rates is legal, but deceptive. Ford Credit often offers promotional rates like 0% or 2.9%. Dealers create obstacles claiming the truck is not eligible because they make less money. Your protection. Get pre-approved from your bank before visiting. Check Ford's website for promotional rates and screenshot offers. Demand to see the actual approval with the rate, not just the payment. For leases, insist they disclose the money factor. If the dealer's rate is higher than your pre-approval, use outside financing. Scam number 7, the diagnostic fee trap. Your F-150's air conditioning stops working. You have Ford Premium Care Warranty. The service advisor wants $200 just to run a diagnostic to see if the warranty covers it. Later, they confirm the warranty covers the repair, but they still want the $200 fee. Here's the scam. Charging diagnostic fees on warranty repairs creates a conflict of interest. If they deny coverage, they keep your $200 and then can charge thousands more for repairs. Ethical shops waive diagnostic fees when the warranty covers the repair. That is standard practice. How to avoid this? Before you authorize diagnostics, ask if the fee will be waived when the warranty covers the repair. Get that promise in writing. Call Ford Warranty first and get pre-authorization for coverage. If a dealer charges diagnostic fees on covered repairs, report them to Ford Corporate and find a different dealer. Scam. Number 8. The missing options quote. You build your dream Maverick online, $32,850 with all options. The dealer quotes $28,400. Amazing. Months later, it arrives missing the upgraded wheels, bed liner, and cargo system. The dealer claims this is what you ordered. Here is what happened. The dealer removed high-dollar options from your quote to create a fake discount. Months pass between order and delivery. Your memory gets fuzzy. They count on you doubting yourself when features are missing. Your protection. Screenshot your complete Ford build sheet with itemized options and manufacturer's suggested retail price. Send that exact build when requesting quotes. Get written confirmation, including each option by name. At delivery, verify the window sticker matches your order. If anything is missing, refuse delivery or demand a refund. How to protect yourself. Here's your defense strategy against Ford dealership scams. Know your numbers before visiting any dealer. Research manufacturers' suggested retail price, incentives, and typical prices on Ford's website. Get second opinions on major repairs, even warranty work. Keep detailed service records with dates, names, and case numbers. Ask questions and demand documentation. If a dealer recommends service, ask where Ford requires it. Join Ford owner forums like Bronco 6G and Maverick Truck Club. You'll learn which dealers to trust and which to avoid. When Ford dealerships are worth it. Many Ford dealerships provide excellent service. Warranty work must be done at authorized dealers. Complex repairs requiring Ford-specific diagnostics need dealer expertise. Recalls and technical service bulletins go through the dealer network. The key is knowing when you're getting honest service versus being taken advantage of. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Your Ford is a reliable vehicle that does not need excessive maintenance or expensive upsells. Do not let unscrupulous dealerships convince you otherwise. Educate yourself, ask questions, and demand transparency. With these tools, you'll save thousands while keeping your Ford running strong. The best defense against scams is an informed owner. Now you have that knowledge. Use it wisely. If you found these tips helpful, watch the next video for insider tips to cut repair costs and keep your truck running like new.